Hello everybody, my name is Jenny from Jenny Science, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool application called the EtherNet Installer. The EtherNet Installer is a tool used to update or save or backup multiple XENAX controllers at one time. Also, it has a lot of neat and cool little features which I'm going to show you right now. The first thing you do is you're going to download it from a web page. You go to a web page, go to Downloads, and there you scroll to XENAX, and there you'll download the firmware update package. In the update package there are a lot of all the firmwares inside as well as the EtherNet installer. I've already pre-downloaded it. That's what the folder would look like. And here you go into the EtherNet installer and you can open the file. First of all, it looks empty. What you see on the bottom left corner is all the network cards you have and you are connected to. If you change something within those cards, you could do a right click and refresh it. Right now I am connected to the network card, to this one, which is connected using a switch to these three XENAX. If I'm going to search in this network, it will find all the XENAX connected to this network. So here we have three XENAX which being found. So the first cool feature is the identify one. If you want to know which XENAX is which, or you don't know it in your machine, you click on one and you'll say identify. So now here you see it on the last one. The display starts rotating, just indicating which one is which is going to research the whole system. And now the next step here is you could write some configuration like the names. We do a simple X, Y, C, for example. We could write it, yes, it stays busy, and then it will reload, and then you'll see all the names that are assigned to it. Configuration has changed. If you see a controller, you can directly click on the IP address to open up the WebMotion. So very easy. And here you would also see the identified, the name we just gave it, or also here WebMotion X, WebMotion Y. We could also change the IP address easily here. For example, if you want to automatically increment it, you could IP increment and then write the configuration. What's another cool feature is the update one. So we can go and parallelly update any amount of controllers you have in your network. If you have a machine with 50 controllers inside, then you could easily update them. I'm showing to you on the WebMotion. Just select the file, the WebMotion file, and update it. And now it will connect to them and they will start update. It will be indicated here as well. Yeah, with the C, it means it's deleting, and now it's updating the WebMotion. See here, all of them start to do so. So after the update is done, I always say do a new search for them. It's just a little refresh that everything works fine. What's another cool feature is the app backup. So you can back up all of the files you have at one time. Just going to show it to you. In this folder, I don't change any kind of name and click alright, I want to do it here, save it into this folder, and if we're now going to look into the folder, it's this one, it stores every single one of them following the IP address. And now if you would want to load those back in, we can go to update, we could select the application, we browse it, and then we're going to the folder we just stored them in, and we can select them all and then do an update. And because of the IP address, it knows which one assigns to which controller. And this update is done. So you see, it's a tool which is really beneficial and eases down the updating, the backup process for you, and that's how you use the EtherNet installer. Thank you very much and see you next time.